Recently, I got a very good question that what is designing and how we learn it? Does it only depends on learning of the softwares, or it takes different creative process or thinking to be a designer? See, I cannot tell you all the methods and all the steps to be a designer in this video alone. So it requires a whole series on it. But one thing that I can tell you is being a graphic designer or being a designer simply, we will have this observation power. So where you will see this design or something, you will try to observe and mimic it. If you want to be a very good designer, start observing things, start observing in more detail, start processing it in your mind that how it is created, how the layers are being intact, how the colors are being used, how they are popping up the text. Try to think like this. Try to be curious about what you see over in the world. Great observation makes great designers. So if you are observing details and you are trying to figure out how the design was made, whether it's an artificial design, whether it's an digital printing, whether it's an photography, whether it's an designs by nature itself, you try to observe everything and figure it out how it got created. And then after that, you try to mimic the same thing that you observed in the software that you are using. And that's how you become a good observer, which will help you in becoming a good designer. In second part of this video, I will tell you how to research and how to observe. I will bring up my live project from my agency and I will show you how we do our research, and particularly how I do research and how I observe the UIs, the designs in posters and the UX UI, and how I incorporate it in my own way. So stay tuned for the part 2 to learn about the observing and researching about the UI. Bye bye, let's meet in the part 2 of this video.